Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I do my day makeup. So I'm going to put my eye primer as per normal. Okay, and then I am going to use my this eye primer, right? I get it from Mary Kay and it's quite good. It lasts your eye makeup since morning. You can see my eye makeup since morning like 7 a.m. because I'm on my way to church just now. So and then so the first color I'm using, right, is a very light orange color. So I'm using Huda palette today. So I love this color that I always use as a base. NYX blender brush, this one is quite good. And then I'm using this color for the end, because Asian eyes, right, we do not have deep set look like the Caucasian eyes. Okay, and then finally I am going to use a blending brush like this, simple one, a light one, as my highlighter for my brows as well. A simple eye color like this. And then I'm going to use a eyeliner. I quite like Smashbox eyeliner, it's quite long lasting. So if you tend to smudge easily, right, on your eyelids, Smashbox eyeliner is quite good. And then, right, when you want to apply, for us Asian eyes, right, when we tend to apply eyeliner, when we close your eyes, right, it tends to smudge below here. So try and use eye pencil instead. Then use your liquid liner. And then I like to put a bit at the bottom here as well. And then if you want to put the bottom, right, you don't do, when you do apply mascara, don't apply zigzag motion for Asian eyes. Just apply top like this, okay, and then like this will do. So this is my easy makeup look. So if you have any questions or things that you want to learn for makeup or skincare or even image, right, just let me know. I'm always here, and then I could give you to answer your question. Thank you so much for watching my channel. This is Style Coach Julia. Thank you, bye bye, have a good Sunday.